Okay, stop scrolling because what I'm about to show you is something most people in the AI space have absolutely no idea about. Canada, one of the world's top destinations for artificial intelligence research, is right now offering fully funded PhD and master's position, especially in large language models, LLM, NLP, agentic AI, and machine learning. You know, the exact technologies powering that ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, the technologies that every single tech company on the planet is hiring for right now. And the best part, this is at Queen's University, one of Canada's oldest and most respected research universities. And the supervisor is a faculty member at the Vector Institute for AI, one of the most prestigious AI research institutes in the world. Fully funded, multiple positions open to international students. Deadline is April 15th. It's not far away. Okay, so I'm your host and your friend on this channel, Scholarship, where I find fully funded scholarships and the PhD so you don't spend hours searching. If you're new here, subscribe right now. Let's get into it directly. Okay, now I want to give you the full picture first because this isn't just a PhD opportunity. The details here are genuinely impressive, and I think once you hear them, you'll understand why I'm so excited about this one. The research group is called TAML, that is the Text Analytics and Machine Learning Group. It's led by Dr. Xiaoda Zhu, sorry, based at the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Queen's University and Kingston, Ontario, Canada. So, Dr. Zhu is also a faculty member at the Vector Institute for AI. Now, if you don't know the Vector Institute, it's Canada's national AI research hub. It's the same institution connected to some of the world's leading AI researchers. So, it receives government and private sector funding and it has deep ties to Google, Nvidia, Microsoft, and many more. What does that mean for you as a student? It means you don't just get a PhD supervisor, you get access to the Vector Institute's GPU computing sources, their office facilities, and their professional network that is absolutely massive for an AI researcher. Dr. Zhu's students come from top universities across the globe and Canada, and after graduation they go on to work at top research labs and technology companies in Canada and the United States. This is a career launching opportunity, and let me break it all down for you. So, what will you actually be researching on? There are multiple positions available across four cutting edge areas. Number one is large language models or LLMs. These are the foundational technology behind tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama. If you want to work on the actual science behind how these models are built, trained, evaluated, and improved, then this is where you do it. LLM research right now is one of the hottest and most impactful areas in all of computer science. A PhD in this area in 2026 is extraordinarily valuable, and you guys know that as well. Number two is natural language processing. NLP, and this is the broader field of teaching computers to understand, generate, and reason about human language. Think sentiment analysis, machine translation, question answering, summarization, dialogue systems. NLP is the foundation that LLMs are built on, and expertise in this area opens doors at virtually every major tech company. Number three is agentic models. This is one of the most exciting and rapidly developing areas in AI right now. Agentic AI refers to systems that can plan, reason, take actions, and complete multi-step tasks autonomously with minimal human input. Think AI agents that can browse the web, write and run code, manage workflows. The research here is at the absolute frontier of what AI can do. Number four is machine learning, the mathematical and algorithmic backbone of all modern AI, optimization, deep learning architectures, generalization, theory representing learning, the fundamentals that make everything else possible. If you have a passion for any of these areas, this group wants to hear from you. Okay, so let me tell you a bit about where you would actually be living and studying because this matters. Queen's University has over 180 years of history. It is one of Canada's oldest and most respected public research universities as of 2025. Five Nobel laureates and one Turing Award winner. The Turing Award is literally called the Nobel Prize of Computer Science, have been affiliated with Queen's. The campus is located in Kingston, Ontario, right on the shore of Lake Ontario. People consistently describe it as one of the most beautiful university campuses in Canada. I mean, imagine doing a PhD with a lakeside view that's genuinely stunning. Kingston itself is a UNESCO World Heritage Site candidate. It is a historic city, a tourist destination, and a very livable mid-sized city. And here's what makes the location even better. It sits almost exactly between three of Canada's most important cities, that is Toronto, Montreal, and Ottawa. Toronto is Canada's largest city and its financial and tech capital. Montreal is home to MILA, one of the world's top AI research institute, and Ottawa is the nation's capital. You have access to all three within a few hours by car or train. And remember, because this is an affiliation with the Vector Institute, you also get access to the facilities in Toronto. So you're plugged into Toronto's booming AI ecosystem while being based in beautiful Kingston. For international students specifically, Canada is also one of the most immigration friendly countries in the world. A Canadian degree and research experience opens serious doors for post graduation work, permits, and permanent residency pathways. This opportunity is bigger than just a degree. Now, let's talk about the funding because I know that's what everyone wants to know about. These are fully funded positions. That means your tuition is covered and you receive a stipend, a living allowance to support yourself while you study. The exact funding amount will depend on whether you are a PhD or master student and on the specific terms negotiated. Canadian universities' PhD stipends in engineering and computer science typically range from approximately 20,000 to 30,000 Canadian dollars per year, sometimes higher in competitive AI labs. I would strongly recommend emailing the group directly to ask about the specific funding package, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in a moment. Beyond the stipend, here's what you also get access to. One, that is the Vector Institute's GPU and computing cluster. If you are in AI research, you know that compute is everything. Access to powerful GPUs for training large models is not something every PhD student gets. The group has it. That is, this group has it. So to the Vector Institute office facilities, this means you can work from the Toronto offices, attend their events, and plug into the ecosystem of AI researchers, industry partners, and hiring companies. 3. A world-class research environment. Dr. Zhu's group has students from top universities across the globe. The intellectual community around you will be outstanding. 4. Career outcomes. The group's graduates go on to work at top research and industrial organizations. Canada and the US AI researchers with Canadian PhDs and Vector Institute connections are extremely hireable right now. Now, who can apply? This opportunity is open to international applicants from any country. There is no nationality restriction, whether you are an Indian, Nigerian, Pakistani, Brazilian, Egypt, Indonesia, China, anywhere in the world. You can just apply for this opportunity. For a PhD position, you will typically need a master's degree or a strong bachelor's degree with research experience. For a master's position, a bachelor's degree in relevant field is required. The relevant field includes computer science, electrical engineering, software engineering, computational linguistics, data science, mathematics, statistics, and any other background where you have strong foundation in programming and quantitative methods. Importantly, they are looking for people with a genuine interest in AI research. If you have research experience, publications, thesis work, or project experience in NLP, machine learning, or related areas, that will significantly strengthen your application. You should be comfortable with Python programming and have some experience with deep learning frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow. Strong written and spoken English is required since all research, communication, paper writing, and presentations will be in English. And here's something important they mention specifically: the group aims to create a diverse and inclusive research environment. So, if you are from an underrepresented background in STEM, please do apply. Your perspective is genuinely valued here. Yeah. So, okay, let's walk through exactly how to apply. There are two steps, and you must do both. Step one, fill out the Google form. The link is in my video description below. This is an official application form linked on Dr. Zoo's website. Fill it out carefully and completely. Do not rush this. Step two, send an email to the group's official recruiting email address, group dash TAML recruiting at the rate queens no, u.ca. So in the email you need to attach two things: your CV or resume and all of your academic transcripts. This means every degree you have done, including a bachelor's and a master's if applicable. And in the body of the email, feel free to introduce yourself. This is not just a formality. Write two or three paragraphs about who you are, what a research background is, why you are interested in Dr. Zoo's group specifically, and in which research area, LLMs, NLP, agentic models, or machine learning you want to work in. Show genuine enthusiasm and specific interest. Now, one very important note: if you have already sent an email application to this address previously, you do not need to apply again. The team is already reviewing your application. Don't send duplicate emails. The preferred deadline is April 15, 2026, but they have specifically said that the applicants will be considered after the deadline if positions are not yet filled. So even if you're watching this after April 15, still apply. It is worth it. The start date is 1st of September 2026 as the preferred option, with January 1st, 2027 as an alternative if September doesn't work for you. Before I wrap up, I want to give you three specific tips to make your application stand out, because this is a competitive lab and you want to put your best foot forward. Tip number one: customize your email. The biggest mistake people make is sending a complete generic email. Do not do that. Go to Dr. Zoo's website www.xiaodangzoo.com and read about the lab's recent publication and research themes. In your email, mention one or two specific papers or projects from the group and explain why they connect to your interest and background. This signals that you are serious and you have done your homework and are actually a good fit. Supervisors notice this immediately. Tip number two: make your CV research focused. If you're applying for a PhD, your CV should lead with your research experience, publications, if any, thesis topics, and technical skills, not just your coursework grades. If you've worked on any NLP, ML, or AI projects, even course projects or personal projects, describe them clearly. Mention the tools and frameworks you use. Quantify results wherever possible. Tip number three: get your transcript ready in advance. This sounds basic, but many people delay application because they need to request official transcript from the universities, which can take time. Start requesting them today. Even unofficial transcripts are fine for the initial application, but have them ready. And one bonus tip: if English is not a first language, take extra time to proofread your email. Use tools to check grammar. A well written, error free email creates a very strong first impression. Supervisors are making judgments about your communication skills from the very first email you send them. You can do this. The only bad application is the one you don't send. All right, then. Apply today. Don't wait. This is one of the most exciting AI research opportunities that I came across this year. Okay, and preferred deadline is April 15, 2026. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It literally takes 2 seconds and it helps me reach more students who needs to see this. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss an opportunity like this one. And I post every week, if not every day. I try to post every week. And drop a comment below: are you applying for PhD or masters? What area interests you most? LLMs, NLP, agentic AI, machine learning? I read every single comment and I will reply. See you in the next one. Just let me know what is the domain that you all are searching for, and I'll try to get it as much as possible. And for you guys, good luck, and I'm rooting for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Cheers.